Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. And earlier this morning, I made a video about rotating letters. And I was just kind of playing around. And this is a pretty cool design that you could probably not draw by hand. And I did it with a letter. I did it with the letter S. And the only thing you need to think about is when you're doing this is if you want them separated or not, which I had to on this S. So we're going to left click, right click. And what we need to do is go ahead and automatically turn it into a curve. And then we need to hit plus key on the keyboard and take that node and get that four-way cross. And these are touching. So at this time, if you want these not touching, you need to change the first one to move these nodes where they will not be touching on the next one. And of course, you've kind of messed up the curvature, but if you could kind of play with it and take some nodes out and make it back to an S, and you could play around with this for a long time, but kind of make it look symmetrical. And you could go a little further than that and then take away your first copy. And now let's hit plus on the keyboard and put it up here, and you see now they're not touching and they're going to join. So this is so easy. Let's get rid of this and let's Control D. Tell you what, let's just start over because I should have just Control D the whole time. Control D, take that X and hit a snap to, Control D, Control D, Control D until your heart's content. And then take it and weld it. Because it's a curve, it's going to weld. I mean, look at that. I don't know how long that would take you to draw. And this is just an example of playing, basically, and you could make it any which way you wanted it, vertical, horizontal, and I don't know what you would do with something like this. To me, I see a racetrack going up a hill or, just a frill somehow. I don't know what you could do with it, but there's a lot you could do with it, possibly. If you took it and, just keep playing, take your swirl tool and make your swirl tool like 15 inches so it would engulf the whole thing, and maybe even more than that, maybe 18 inches. Click on your item and then go to about the middle and twirl it. I'm just playing. But that's pretty cool. There's another S. Anyway, just playing around. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.